using the Avenue Course Builder to request a course. To access the Course Builder, log into avenue.ca. Then click on the Resources link in the banner. Click on the Course Builder option. The Course Builder eUnit catalog displays available eUnits as cards. Before you can request a new course in the Course Builder, you must first pin or select at least 2 eUnits. One eUnit can be added to an existing course, but to create a new course, you must select at least 2 eUnits. The shopping cart icon becomes visible after the first eUnit is pinned or selected. Click on the shopping cart icon to open the pinned eUnits panel. To remove a single pinned eUnit, click the trash can icon next to it. To remove all pinned eUnits, click the Clear All trash icon at the top of the panel. After clicking Clear All eUnits will be deselected and the shopping cart icon will be hidden until you select more eUnits. Please note, when you request a new course, please keep in mind that the Course Builder can be used to add eUnits to an existing course. Include only the eUnits you plan to use with students. Keeping the course smaller makes it more manageable for you and easier for learners to navigate. When you have selected the eUnits you would like in your new course, click on the Request Course button at the bottom of the shopping cart panel. The Course Builder New Request screen appears. Before the request can be processed, it is necessary to provide some information on the Course Builder New Request page. In the New or Existing Course drop-down menu, make sure that Create a New Course Please is selected. Under Selected eUnits, you can drag the move icons up or down to adjust the order in which the eUnits appear in the course. In the Course Options drop-down menu, select a course template for the appropriate CLB level, or a template created by your service provider organization. Templates include helpful learner resources for that level. You can also choose a blank course template. If the course is for instructor testing, select the Make This a Sandbox or Test Course checkbox. This course will not be used with students. If you are going to use this course with students, deselect this option. In the Course Details section, for teachers requesting a new course, enter the following information: the new course name, the service provider or school board, the funder, the site or school name, the course start date, the course end date, and language of instruction. When all information is complete and correct, click the Submit Course Request button at the bottom of the page. After you click Submit Course Request, the List of Course Requests page opens. The course request is then processed and you will receive an email when the course is ready. Please note, this page can also be accessed through the Resources link by clicking on the Course Requests link. You will also receive a notification in your Avenue notifications. Click on the notification icon to open it. You can click on the notification to view the full notification. Click on the Resources link in the banner and then Course Requests to return to the List of Course Requests page. On the List of Course Requests page, you can view the status of a request. Click on the Details to open a panel with information about the requested course.